How to set an invisible username on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can set an invisible username on Discord. So without further ado, let's get started. So open Discord, but I recommend you using the web version on a PC for this trick. And right now, you can see my username is visible and my profile picture is also displayed on it. Now, to make your username invisible, just copy the special Unicode characters provided from the website, which link will be provided in the description box. Now, go to the user settings and change your display name by pasting the copied characters. And once you're done with that, simply save the changes and that's it. Now your username will be completely invisible. But if this doesn't work, you can try using different browser, as this trick may not work on a Discord app in most cases. And that's all for today with this. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.